All right, the latest news break coming in. The entire NEET face-off, which is taking place, of course, where the Supreme Court is concerned, also resonating in Parliament in the budget session today, the first day of it. The NEET Parliament storm escalated in Parliament. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan took on Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav. He said Rahul shedding crocodile tears. Paper leaks happened under UPA regime as well. Congress government failed to stop malpractice. Listen in to the face-off. We're back with more.
Now, the minister has blamed everybody except himself, right? I don't even think he understands the fundamentals of what is going on here. There are millions of students in this country who are extremely concerned at what is going on and who are convinced that the Indian examination system is a fraud. That is what is at stake here. If you're rich and if you have money, you can buy the Indian examination system. And by the way, and this is the same feeling that the people in the opposition have. As this is a systemic issue, what exactly are you doing to fix this issue at a systemic level?
Yes.
That's the first question.
मेरे जो शिक्षा है, मेरे जो संस्कार है, मेरे जो सामाजिक जीवन है, मेरे को मेरे राज्य की, मेरे सूबे की जनता की स्वीकृति मिली है। मैं किसी की, मेरे बौद्धिक और मेरे संस्कार की सर्टिफिकेट मेरे को सारी सदन में किसी से नहीं चाहिए। देश की प्रजातंत्र में चुन के मेरे नेता प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री की भूमिका दिया है। मैं उनकी निर्णय से यहाँ उत्तर दे रहा हूँ सदन को। बाकी ये कहना चिल्लाने से सच झूठ नहीं हो जाएगा साहब। ये जो कहा गया देश की अभी की एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम रबिश है सर, इससे दुर्भाग्यजनक बयान देश की नेता प्रतिपक्ष का कुछ नहीं हो सकता है सर। मैं कठोर शब्द से इसको निंदा करता हूं सर। जिन्होंने रिमोट से सरकारें चलाई है, 2010 में 3 बिल आया था सर शिक्षा सुधार के लिए। उन्हीं की पार्टी के नेता आदरणीय कपिल सिब्बल साहब 3 बिल लाए थे। उसमें से एक बिल था एजुकेशन, उसमें एक बिल था प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ अनफेयर प्रैक्टिस बिल 2010, जिसके उद्देश्य एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में माल प्रैक्टिस को बंद करना। सर, मेरे सरकार की हिम्मत है, अभी हमने पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन की रेगुलरिटीज में बिल लाए, कानून बनाए। क्या मजबूरी था कांग्रेस पार्टी की? क्या मजबूरी था नेता प्रतिपक्ष की?
My colleague Piyush Mishra, reporting from Parliament, joins us for more. Piyush, the first day of the budget session, and it was NEET that held fort. A massive face-off between Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav as well, came in to attack the education minister, asking him to be removed, and Dharmendra Pradhan hitting back with equal fervour.
Well, certainly, Priti, and today what happened has somewhere set the tone for the upcoming days of budget session. Remember that tomorrow is a very crucial day when the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is going to table the budget. But today, the opposition leaders have made it very clear that they want discussion on the issue of NEET, and that is what we also saw today in the morning at around 11 o'clock when the first day of budget session started. We saw how Dharmendra Pradhan, while he was making statement on the issue of NEET, it was Rahul Gandhi, who is leader of opposition, said that Dharmendra Pradhan has spoken on all the issues except not taking responsibility himself. Now, Dharmendra Pradhan has rubbished the claims that have been made by Rahul Gandhi. He has condemned what Rahul Gandhi has said. He is education minister, in fact, has stressed upon the fact that Rahul Gandhi was saying that the education system of country is completely failed, and he condemns his statement. In fact, he added that the UP government could not do anything as far as stopping the malpractices are concerned in the education system, but it is the Modi government which has brought the bill and has tried to fix the issue. Now we'll have to see how the government is going to defend it.
All right, Piyush, a pitched battle being fought between the opposition ranks as well as the treasury benches. And today you saw that face-off between Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav on the other side of that divide.